California love, California.
Hello, everyone, and thank you for tuning in for yet another episode of Peach House Oasis. I am Lola, and I am so elated to share with you all our new home. KB and I purchased our new home, and we are so excited to share with you our empty house tour and just to let you know what we have in store for turning this house into a home and all of its adventures, decorating, DIY, stargazing, the whole nine. And we're just so excited. So, welcome to Peach House Oasis. And this is a highlight of our first home. And here it is in its empty state. We first walk into the family room, or actually, what I'm going to make maybe into a dining room. This would be like the family room here. And it's a pretty good space. We love how the home has its hidden charms, I guess you can call it. This home was built in 1925, so it is technically 100 years old, and it is awesome. Everything has been remodeled, but it kept some of the house's charm with the wood texture of the cabinets in the kitchen, the arch windows and arch entryways. We just absolutely love it. We cannot wait to show you how we transform the space with our decorations and our furniture. We might even do a few, painting jobs here and there, new flooring. So stay tuned as we completely turn this into our home. Here we have what is going to be our guest room that has its own bathroom attached. And it'll be nice for our guests who come and stay with us. So we're just super excited. The whole buying process was an experience we will never forget. And shout out to our lender, Miss Ashley Johnson, and shout out to our realtor, Mr. Michael. And thank you guys for, you know, going through this experience with us. Alrighty, we're walking down the hall. This is the second bathroom of the home. I cannot wait to get into this space and keep its vintage charm along with some modern decor. I cannot wait to do the DIYs. There's a closet behind the door that I cannot wait to get into. So then we step into the carpets, new carpet, and this is the second bedroom, which will be eventually for a little baby. And we're just so excited. We just love the texture of the walls. There's no popcorn ceilings, thank goodness. And we have recessed lighting throughout the home. I mean, everything that our hearts could imagine the home had. And we looked at several homes. I mean, several homes. This was a 3-year process in finding the home that suited us. And for the surprise, this home does have two small cottages that we are going to turn into something very nice. So we're so happy. We're going to take this backyard and turn it into literally an oasis. Um, Living out in the desert is so peaceful and it is beautiful. So this back room here will be the master room. And we're pretty satisfied with the size. And I just want you guys to stay tuned to see how we transform our room. I'm even thinking about doing some color in here on the walls and just making it our own. We love all of the views that we have in the house. I'm definitely going to keep an open window. Um, I might hang some curtains. I don't know. You got to stay tuned and let me know what you think. But thank you all so much for tuning in and watching our empty house tour, and stick with us as we cultivate our peaceful, cozy beach house oasis. And that's what it means to us, just peacefulness. So thank you all. Stay tuned for the next video. Thanks for watching. Ciao. Don't forget to subscribe.